Peter?
The baby?
Yeah. Is that a good cracker? Oh, is that your sippy cup?
4 carbs.
Is it good? You're not doing anything. Another cracker? Here it comes.
Yeah, I'll open his mouth like I'm gonna feed it to him.
Mmm, cracker's good. Mmm.
Are you gonna want cheese?
Yeah, I guess so. Good cracker. Let's get a close up. How much can you fit into your mouth, son? The whole thing? That's not how you eat a cracker.
That's how Daddy does it.
Peter. Mmm, cracker yummy. Mmm. Peter. Peter, 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 Peter. Is that a good cracker? Do you have the whole thing in your mouth? You're gonna choke.